Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone running a WordPress website, search engine optimization, or SEO. If you want to boost your site's visibility and rank higher on search engines, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what SEO is. SEO is the practice of optimizing your website so that it appears higher in search engine results. For WordPress users, there are specific steps you can take to enhance your site's SEO. Let's walk through them one by one. Step 1 is choosing an SEO-friendly WordPress theme. A good theme should be lightweight, fast-loading, and mobile responsive. For a great start, a theme that's optimized for SEO ensures that your site structure is easy for search engines to crawl. Step 2. Install an SEO plugin. Next up, installing an SEO plugin. Plugins like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO Pack are fantastic tools. These plugins help you optimize your content, manage meta tags, and improve your site's overall SEO. Let me show you how to install and configure Yoast SEO. On the left sidebar of your WordPress dashboard, find and click on Plugins. A submenu will appear. Click on Add New to begin searching for new plugins. In the Add Plugins page, there's a search bar on the top right. Type Yoast SEO into this search bar and press Enter. The search results will display plugins related to your query. Yoast SEO is a popular plugin used to enhance the search engine optimization, SEO, of your WordPress site. Once installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the Yoast SEO plugin. You'll be redirected to the plugins page where you'll see a notification that Yoast SEO is now active. We will set up and explain more about this plugin in the next video in detail. Step 3. Optimize your permalinks. Step 3 is optimizing your permalinks. Go to Settings, Permalinks, and choose a structure that includes the post name. This makes your URLs clean and keyword-rich, which is great for SEO. Step 4. Create quality content. Content is king. Make sure your posts and pages are well-written, informative, and relevant to your audience. Use the SEO plugin to add focus keywords, meta descriptions, and optimize readability. Remember, quality content keeps visitors engaged and encourages them to stay on your site longer. We will discuss this section in the next video in detail. Step 5. Add alt text to images. Step 5 is adding alt text to your images. Alt text helps search engines understand what your images are about and improves accessibility. When you upload an image, make sure to include descriptive alt text that incorporates relevant keywords. Step 6. Build backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites to yours, and they play a significant role in SEO. Focus on building high-quality backlinks from reputable sites. You can achieve this by guest blogging, participating in industry forums, or reaching out to other site owners. Backlinks are crucial for website owners as they enhance search engine rankings, drive referral traffic, and build credibility. High-quality backlinks from reputable sites signal trust to search engines like Google, improving visibility and authority. They also facilitate faster indexing of new content, increase brand exposure, and foster industry relationships. By leveraging backlinks, website owners can gain a competitive edge, promote their content more effectively, and enjoy long-term SEO benefits. Step 7. Monitor and analyze your SEO performance. Finally, monitor and analyze your SEO performance using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Track your traffic, see which keywords are driving visitors to your site, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Google Search Console, GSC, is a robust tool for analyzing your website's performance in Google Search. It provides performance reports showing search queries, click-through rates, and site positions. GSC helps identify indexing issues and crawl errors, enhancing mobile usability and monitoring core web vitals. It also checks AMP performance, structured data, security issues, and manual actions. The tool offers detailed insights into internal and external links, allows sitemap submissions, and highlights any errors. By analyzing keyword performance and geographical data, GSC helps optimize content and improve user experience, making it indispensable for maintaining and enhancing your site search presence. And that's a wrap on our WordPress SEO guide. Follow these steps to improve your site's search engine rankings and attract more visitors. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Have any questions or SEO tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.